To enable text-to-speech on Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening Settings and then navigate into Accessibility. When you are here, you will have to open Accessibility and go into Vision. Now select this option, Select to Speak, and you have to turn it on by clicking Right Now and tap Allow. Click OK. So now, if you want to select something and hear that, so you have to tap on this icon and now click and hold with your finger. Now you have to drag and select with this frame text that you want to read, that you want to hear. Then release. And now you can hear that.
After accessibility features are enabled,
if you want to pause, click right here. If you want to continue, click here. And by tapping here, we can expand and change some settings, like for example, read in background, read text on images, so some additional things. And if you want to finish this one, just click here, and to turn it off, tap on that switcher.